Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello there for the brand new people. Thank you so much for passing by and clicking on this video. My name is Tania and today I'm coming to you guys with a brand new Louis Vuitton unboxing video. Okay, so here is the tool, here is the box, and you guys will find out what's in the box very soon. You are probably familiar with this one. Everyone has it, everyone loves it. But I wanted to feature something a little bit more unique and fun for you guys. This is basically a newer style Star Trail boot. And let's hop into the unboxing. Okay, so here is the Star Trail boot. Speaking of the original Star Trail boot that everyone has, the one with monogram and the side zipper, I did try the original Star Trail boot. I love the fact that there is a side zipper. It's very comfortable. Having said that, the tongue of the boot was very uncomfortable and kind of rough, and it was basically pressing on all my sweet spots, so I couldn't wear them. They were extremely uncomfortable. I mean, maybe it's just me, but I'm just telling you guys my, first impression. Hopefully this boot will be a lot more comfortable because it's more softer. Yeah, it's even soft to the touch. Yeah, so let's check them out, how comfortable they are. So basically the boot is a mix of materials, including a suede calf leather. So here, and here, and at the back, when you see the Louis Vuitton labeling, it's also in suede leather. Also, you see here a patent monogramming, so patent monogram canvas. Right here, and the back, the cushion, and also we see here a technical mesh for a sneaker inspired look. The technical mesh is only for the outer layer. The lining is made of leather. It's a calfskin leather. Yes, so they are water resistant and water repellent. Yes, so the water will not go in through the technical mesh fabric. It's just for the design purpose. The outsole of the boot is made of rubber as well as the heel. So it's not leather, it is rubber. The height heel is 9.5 centimeters or 3.7 inches. It's significant heel height, but also keep this in mind, there is a platform. Yeah, so basically some of the height is shaved off by the platform. So basically we're talking about maybe 8 centimeters. You can basically lace it up to the top of the boot and leave them like this, or you can style the boot like this. So basically don't lace them up to the end, and you can wrap around like this. And this is how I wear my red boot. I did try them on. They're pretty comfortable. I don't want to jinx it. Yeah, I love them so far. I don't know, sometimes I change my opinion, but I hope I will keep them. I decided to go with the black color. There is also beige color available. I do have my red boots in beige color. I was specifically looking for the black boots because I'm planning to wear them with my black mini dresses. Yeah, so they're gonna be more like special occasion boots. I mean, like out to go out boots. With the Star Trail boot, I would go with the next half size up because they run a little bit tight. Well, having said that, the Lorette boot runs true to the size. Typically, my true size at Louis Vuitton is 7.5. Yeah, so the Lorette boot that I have been wearing for several years, they're very comfortable, and I would say this is true 7.5. I tried them with the nylon and also with just thin socks, and I would say they work with the nylon and with the pair of socks. Yeah, so basically I didn't feel any discomfort. I'm not sure if I should go with my true size with like 7.5. Yeah, I think they run a little bit small, so just to be on the safe side, I would go with the next half size up. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know what you think about this Star Trail boot. If you have them, please share your experience. Okay, so see you guys next time.